Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So just few days back there was like severe snowfall here in GTA, and more than like 35 centimeters of snow had fallen, and by this weekend it's gonna be like 50 centimeters. So if you have a basement there, like, or anywhere, it's like you can imagine, like, it could be literally buried under snow, right? Entrance is gonna be blocked. But my tenants, they don't have any issue. You know why? Because of this decision, this structure I made. This is called canopy. It has covered. See the snow accumulation on top. You see that? Imagine all that snow falling and then more snow coming through the side. Imagine what's going to happen. It's going to be leveled like this, and people will be literally buried there. But because of this decision, although it cost me $3,000 last year when I had it done, their stairs are absolutely clear and they can like come and out go. Of course snow is going to be accumulated here, and it's a legal basement. I have some pump also, so there's no issue at all. Absolutely, it's going smoothly, and yeah, this is good. So if you have a basement, I would that you are renting to someone, I would strongly recommend you have a structure like this. This is gonna protect your tenants a lot. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.